Look out. Hey, where the finish line at for the quarter mile? Where's the finish line at for the quarter mile? Is it a cone down there? Oh, at the scoreboard?
Well,
right before?
Scoreboards are a little past it. They're just this side of it.
So by the time they get to the scoreboard, they can find it?
Yeah, you got orange cones down.
Oh, it's an orange cone? Okay, bet. Appreciate it, sir. Okay. They say the last orange cone. Yeah, old boy got the laptop. They trying to get demonology dialed in, because you know he don't know how to play with no gas pedal and all that. He going straight to the floor. So they got to set it to where straight to the floor, ain't full power. He said that it's right by the scoreboard. It'll have an orange cone.
Okay, I see it. I know where it's at. Hey, push that hood, make sure it's down.
Okay. Okay, he down. Yeah, he down, y'all. Everything good. Demonology ready, man. He gonna make a full pad now. I hope the tuner done figured out and let him push it on to the floor. Catch me in the morning, late at night. This sound different. It don't even sound like he got no exhaust on there no more. He didn't. It sound like he done dumped it up under the car. Oh, baby, come on, don't start that. Hey, I bet he ain't got no AC no more. I feel like if he was at XRP, it would have been them big. That ain't biting up here like that. It would have been and tripped them tires. Yeah, he need to scoot it over a little bit down. Hell, if I would have known he was gonna back up like that, I would have helped. Need to dry hop that bitch from right there. Yeah. The warm machine. Now he know he don't need that right now. Oh yeah, he in the groove, back in the groove now. I think he be getting on the converter too much or something. He be up there high. You see what he be stalling this thing up to. Damn, everybody right here. I see 900. It is. I ain't gonna lie. The grip on the track, I'm gonna start rating the track grip, y'all. Track grip today, I give this a 7. It can't pull you, probably a 6.5. It can't, It's working on his shit. Wait a minute, that might be a 7. He ain't got no socks on and his shoes ain't tied. He exaggerating. He exaggerating. Look at him. Look, look. Look at this. Look at this. Now you can walk on here and your shoe ain't gonna get stuck. See how he walking on there? Some spots is good, but it ain't like XRPB. XRPB just tight. Like lift that shoe off. Like you could, man, say, yeah, this here you ain't gotta force it too much to try to. Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna find me a job. Anybody? Bojangles. Damn, y'all done ran Bojangles off. Oh no, he's still in here. Hey man, Supervisor Bojangles, y'all hiring? Man, what the hell they got over there? Hey man. XRP, Yellow Belly, not a comparison. We call Yellow Belly the hood track. They ain't even got a machine to scrub the track. So it's gonna be hard to compare it with a track that do got a machine. We on the track, Yellow Belly, you just say. It ain't stopping no tire. You know how when they do they burnout? You hear that? That ain't doing that. This thing ain't doing no none of that. Look at him.
You can't stand still.
Texas Motorplex, I give it, they sometime in here, they dragging the track the whole time you're there. It ought to be alright.